A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
I wonder if you know about sin. I wonder if you know about how people get right in a God's eye. And I wonder if you know how God judge people. Think about it. And while you are thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to you in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And in case you don't subscribe yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button. It not gonna cost you none. And the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John, chapter 16, from verse 4 to verse 15. I ain't telling about all of them sitting here from the start, because I did still them amongst you. But right now, I go to the one who send me come here. And none of you ask me say, away part you go. But you know heart every down, because I tell you they sitting here. But me I tell you for true. Say that I feel no own good that me a go away. Because if me not go away, the helper now go come to you. When him come, him going to make the people them in the world know, say them wrong about sin, that them wrong about how somebody can get right in a God's eye, and wrong about how God judge people. Them wrong about sin, because they not trust in me. Them wrong about God and about who and what right in a God's eye. Because look, you know, me a go my father, though people think say me a sinner. Me a go back to my father and uno na go see me no more. And them wrong about how God judge people. Because the one way run things in the world, God write him off already. Me have enough more sitting for say to uno. More than uno can take in right now. But when the Spirit will show the truth in them about God come, him going to make you know all of this in them were true. Him now go talk off him own. Him only go talk when him hear me father say. And him go tell uno what go happen. Him go show how me big and powerful. Cause him go hear what me say and tell uno it back. Everything when my father own, I feel me too. And that make me say, the Spirit I go take when me say and make uno know it. Feel yourself. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.